Hello, everyone! Today, we will explore a very simple but highly effective method to create lactic acid bacteria, also known as LABI, right at home, using only rice water. This is a beneficial microorganism widely used in organic agriculture, helping to enhance the health of soil and plants, as well as serving as a natural fermentation starter. Let's get started! First, we will prepare the necessary ingredients and tools. You only need a little rice, preferably organic rice to avoid chemical residues, a clean glass bottle, a piece of thin cloth or filter cloth, and a string to tie it. And of course, our main ingredient today is rice water, which is the first water after rinsing the rice, as it contains many natural microorganisms and essential nutrients for the fermentation process. The method is very simple. When rinsing rice to cook, keep the first rinse water. This water is slightly cloudy, milky white, containing a lot of starch and minerals that ferment easily. Then, pour this rice rinse water into a clean glass bottle. Note, only fill about 2/3 of the bottle to leave space for fermentation and gas production. Next, use a clean cloth or filter cloth to tightly cover the mouth of the bottle. The purpose of this is to allow beneficial bacteria in the air to easily enter the rice water, helping the fermentation process to occur quickly. At the same time, using cloth or filter cloth instead of a tight lid prevents dust or insects from falling in, ensuring the cleanliness of the final product. Use a string to secure the mouth of the bottle to prevent the cloth from coming loose. After completing the preparation step, place this rice water bottle in a cool, well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight. The ideal temperature for lab fermentation is between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius. If the temperature is lower, the fermentation process will take longer. If it is too high, microorganisms may be inhibited or killed. Usually, after about 2 to 3 days, you will start to notice interesting signs of fermentation. The rice water will become slightly cloudy, emit a characteristic mild fragrance, and have a slightly sour taste that is easy to recognize. To check whether the lab has developed well, carefully observe the rice water bottle. If you see tiny bubbles rising or a light sediment settling at the bottom of the bottle, these are clear signs that lactic acid bacteria are actively breaking down starch and producing lactic acid. The water's flavor also turns slightly sour with a mild fragrance, without any strange or unpleasant odors. If you detect green or black mold, or the water has an unpleasant smell, stop immediately and start over to ensure safety. When the fermentation process is complete, strain out the sediment at the bottom and pour the fermented liquid into clean small bottles. Don't forget to label them with the date of preparation to easily track the usage time. By storing it in the refrigerator's cool compartment, the resulting lab solution can be used for 1 to 2 weeks while maintaining the best quality. Lab made from rice washing water has many practical applications in agriculture and daily life. First, you can dilute this solution with clean water and spray it on leaves and plant bases to enhance beneficial microorganisms in the soil, helping plants grow healthily and reducing pests and diseases. Additionally, lab is excellent when used as a fermenting agent for organic compost, promoting decomposition, reducing odors, and increasing the efficiency of nutrient conversion for plants. Especially if lab is used to preserve vegetables and fruits, the products will stay fresh longer thanks to its ability to inhibit harmful bacteria. To ensure the lab process is successful, there are a few small notes you should remember. First, prioritize using organic rice to limit chemical residues affecting the fermentation process. Second, absolutely do not use water containing chlorine or strong disinfectants, as they will kill beneficial bacteria. Next, utensils must be thoroughly cleaned and rinsed with boiling water if necessary to reduce contamination risk. The ideal room temperature for fermentation is from 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. If it is cold, you can keep the bottle in a foam box or wrap it with a warm cloth. And most importantly, if you see any signs of green or black mold or strange odors, discard it immediately and start over to ensure health safety. So, with just a few simple steps and ingredients available in your kitchen, you can create lactic acid bacteria yourself. a cost-effective, environmentally friendly, and extremely useful solution for natural farming. It not only helps improve soil quality and increase plant resistance, but also contributes to protecting the health of you and your family. If you find this information useful, don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family to try it out. Thank you for following. Wishing you success, and see you in the next topics.